Well, once the order's received, we produce a job traveller, again through our ERP system. By the time it comes downstairs, we know that the raw materials have been ordered. They wait in this section here. When the material turns up, it tells you here waiting on material and who it was ordered through and when it should turn up. We do an incoming inspection, so materials get checked and they'll go to their first step. Normally the first step is cutting. They'll go on a saw, material will then get cut. Over here we've got Hector, who's you logging into a job at the moment. Yeah, so he'll give you an example how he's logging in to the system, selecting the job that he's working on, and that tells the system now that we're entering the cutting phase. Helps us for our planning, our job costing, and tracking. That's it, ready to start cutting. So yeah, we've invested a fair bit and it'll probably take me hours to take you through this whole infrastructure of this business. But if you do have the time, you want to come for a visit, I'm more than happy to spend the time and I'll take you through every single part of how things get made.